Alright.
Here we are. Ready for
pretty
another
good, Johnny.
prompt bass.
Should be pretty good.
Yes. Me and the Scott dog with the E-dog.
I checked the buoys and it's...
The current's pretty quiet too,
Yeah, it's
isn't it?
even quite way out wide, so...
Yeah, I saw that on the first graph. Eeky in the moonlight. E-dog. Moonlighting.
Yeah.
Look at you. Gonna spin you around now and what we're looking at. Bearings here at the moment. We're going south to north. Drifting north. Fish on, man. Good one too. First fish in the boat, everybody. Oh yeah. Oh no! I was in a freaking reef, I think. No! It's torn me off. Bugger! Oh, what did that happen? Was that the swivel? Oh God! That was a cracker. Absolute cracker, eh? It's our first one. Bugger. Shit, mate. Next one. God. You wouldn't read about it. Round two. That sucked. Really big time. Oh, did he get it? Shit, buddy, overhead, buddy. Don't know why you're talking about this. Not like the last big dog. Bloody hell. Not enough. knobby I had last time, eh? Not the knobby we had last time. But it's a nice one anyway. It's a nice little one. Oh, they love the squid. That's a nice healthy snapper. Woo! You like that one? Oh yeah. You like that one, didn't you? See if we can get in. Might have to use the net for that fella, eh? GoPro guys. Let's take this back here. Having a day off.
When I get some sleep, I'll get up.
You didn't want to take any action shots then, did he? I think Scotty's going to eat his words when he says I can't catch a 60 or a 70. Tilt that down. Get rid of the hooks so they lose Hey, hey. Took a little bit of holding this fella. Hey, look at that. That's a beauty. Come. It's a perfect snapper. That was a cracker, eh? Absolute old dirty slimy went off. Dirty slimy. Couldn't resist itself. Where are we? Oh, we got that in the finger. Where are we? Oh, we just passed over. Alright, we're just doing another drift over. Just got a 71 centimetre snapper. Just drifting over a second time, just moved, and so I'm picking out a few baits. I just got rods, just gonna get that. Get them down, don't want them too far down. We'll come over the good reef soon. But sometimes those bigger fish will hit them on the way down, and that's what you've got to be ready for. Come on. I think we're drifting too far now. My boat's Not getting down anymore. Oh, hang on. Here we go. Are you ready? Oh, did I miss it? Oh, no. Oh, it went straight into the reef. Bugger me down. Stupid. Come on. Probably just got my bait open. That's alright. I wanted to get rid of that little bait and stick a nice big stinky squid on. I missed that one. It took off. Alright, now it's bait on. It's business time. Beautiful. There's fish on the bottom too. So, the mouth, I think that's the mouth. I prefer them to be smashed on the way down. Just have a little sip of my homemade brew. Ooh. I have to do that more often. Leave these up the front snoozing, as usual. Whoa. We are right over a beautiful big spot. Whoa. Is that? Oh, don't tell me that's sort of going off the bite. I think we might have to make a move. Different spot. We're going to throw a live slimy out. We're going to throw the sea anchor out. Okay, and we're going to bait up a live slimy in the bucket here and hold on. That's what we're going to do, Eeky. Eeky's there, he's holding on. And I'll bait this in here. Okay, sure she's all good to go. I've got a bit of weight to get it down there. Look at it, it's beautiful. This thing will go off when it gets. Don't kill it in the meantime. Live slimy dropping down. What are you gonna send? You ready to do any fishing yet, Ed?
What time is it?
It's about 8:30.
Maybe.
I think you should be ready. What about I put your bit of bait on your reel? It's about a real good time to hop up right now.
Alrighty.
I think I know this guy. One of me mates. Hey mate, what are you doing? Yeah, come closer. Hey, I've been catching big stuff. Big, yep, really good. Yeah, right up here, great shots. Yeah mate, come fish with me. Come sit on me. It's been great. Yeah, good weather. Good to see you. I'll throw some burley out just so you can catch some fish. Good job, mate. Well, time to head home. Going off the bite a little bit. Better say goodbye to me old mate. Hey mate, see you later. Thanks for coming. Plenty of room for everybody. See you mate, see you next time. Another day down.